on a fucking another episode. Fucking Joe.
Yeah, I just came home, my nigga.
What? Talk that shit. Talk that shit.
Right,
Talk that shit. Talk
that
shit. Nah. Talk your shit. Yeah.
You any pop tags yet?
Yeah.
Fresh home, nigga.
Fresh home.
See what I'm with.
What's your nigga today? What's your nigga today?
The court, yeah.
Hold up. What's your nigga today? Let niggas know what's your nigga today. Joe bitter to that, and he's bitter to that, huh? No Kodak. Talk that shit. Come on, Joe Black. Let the world know what the fucking vibe. What you got locked up for? All right, we're gonna smoke, nigga. What the fuck are you talking about?
Right now, bro.
Be quiet. Shut up. What's the word? Talk about it.
Bullshit. Controlled substance sales, my nigga. Uptown, I copped some coke for my son. I copped it. They try to say I served. I wound up serving a decoy. I don't even do those. Bitch called me in the corner. Yo, I brought my son. Lucky my son got away.
Your son got away, but you took the rap.
Yeah, they tried to get me for the be the nigga that sold it to her, but I had it in my system, and I got caught with the bag. Spanked it in Grand River, yeah, get me back of it. Spanked it.
Lying.
In Grand River, yeah, they called me residue bags on me, yeah, and coke in my system. Yeah, who I'm selling to, and I had no Mark money on me. Spanked it, got up out of it.
How long they had you in the spot?
2 weeks. Sat up in the fire burner. Whoa, I had $3 bill, I had 3 warrants, they put a $1 bill on each of them.
A $1 bill?
I'm sitting up there, $1 bill, I didn't even know, $3 bill. I said, I'm call it GMO. Like, you got $3 bill, get the fuck about it. I said, call that reverend now. Bitch called the reverend for me, my nigga. They felt sorry for me. That bitch cut the whole cap in reverend. I get out of there. Seal bitch on the $5 bill. I just touched down last night. Shit,
you ain't smoked since last night?
A little something. Jolly hit me.
Jolly, yeah. As soon as you hit gun head? As soon as you hit gun head? He's still there? Fat Boy still there? He's still right there?
I'm skinny, yeah.
Of course he got skinny. That's my heart too. You know that shit. Come on.
But yeah, he told me Jolly was fucking for a minute. That's why we asked Daddy. I had a heart to heart with the nigga. Like, yo, what the fuck, you got fucking Jolly, my nigga?
He not jealous like that, Joe Black. Yo, that's what it was. That's what it was? He thought you was fucking him good.
Stop playing, no funny dead ass.
But he thought you was.
It was. He kept the bump with me, I ain't gonna lie.
The player hated. He player hated. He was player hated.
Soft-skin dick nigga, you know?
Yeah, player hated. In his feelings, Man,
take your bro to be like, yo, listen, I like him. I said I kept it real with him.
Yo, come here.